Imagine having a channel of about 6 months old and has gotten anything less than 67 views so far, compared to the one that you created just 2 weeks ago and able to generate 26,000 views so far. If you want to learn how you can literally do all these things where you get much views for your faceless channel within a few short weeks, then follow me. So before we proceed into telling you what exact thing that I was able to do to get my channel to 26,321 views in the last 28 days, I need to let you know that it is not about you creating content that people are not really in need of. Not at all. And this is not about you posting your videos making use of what we call the smartphone, or rather posting videos making use of the app. This is not all about it, all right? Because there are some things whereby that you are not really thinking or probably knowing any idea of, which you are doing wrong. And yeah, I'll be listing out 5 simple things you need to start doing now to get your channel having much more views. You should know that when you start having much views, then you start having much subscribers, and from much subscribers you get to monetize your account, either your faceless channel or your normal channel. So here's it. The very first one I would want you to consider is studying popular video. Learn to study popular video. Now, when I'm talking about studying popular video, what are the kind of niche you are into? So when you are studying this popular video, then very well you are as well playing on YouTube. Now, when playing on YouTube, Facebook gets to understand that you are not just coming to YouTube just to upload anything, or doing whatsoever things that you literally want to do to boost your account, but instead you are there to watch other people's video. Now, while watching other people's video, you are not just literally watching anyhow videos. You are watching popular videos that has enough views, videos that has to do with your own kind of niche as well, video that you get to learn a lot of things from. So when watching all these popular videos, try to always comment. Even if you are not subscribing, always try to comment, always try to leave a like, always try to leave a like. So with that, you are sending a good signal to the algorithm, to the YouTube people. Exactly. So please, the very first one you need to consider is studying the popular video on YouTube. Now, the second of the list is focus on one topic. Exactly, you need to focus on one topic. I've seen a case whereby there are some people, creating the videos for affiliate marketing and also having what we call the e-commerce in that very same video where affiliate marketing is talked about. You shouldn't go that way. You need to have different topic for different video for different topic. You shouldn't jump pack the topic. Okay, you shouldn't jump pack videos together and then have different topic for one video. It is not done that way. So you need to focus on one particular topic so that your prospects will get to understand what exact things you are tutoring them on or what you are talking about. And also for YouTube to understand the kind of people that are patronizing you. There are some cases whereby people are not really that interested in affiliate marketing stuff. Okay, they're only interested in e-commerce. Now, when you start talking about e-commerce and then you ship in what we call the affiliate marketing into it, they just have to exit or just pause the video without watching again, and that is that. So if that should start happening, then it's sending a wrong signal to YouTube. You need to take note of that, please. And also, the third in the list is to always optimize video for comment, likes, and subscribe. Yes. Now, if you have to see this my channel here, this is my channel. What I mainly post is just the faceless video. Okay, I make use of an AI to post videos. Exactly. And not just any videos, I post videos in a case whereby when they watch this video, at the end of it, I ask them questions, and for them to answer me back, they need to make use of the comment section. You get, with that, you get to have enough people commenting on each of your videos. So it's always important to have what we call the comment, the likes, whenever you post every sentence video, because it always sends a good signal to the algorithm, and with that they will be able to push your content to much audiences that are really interested in a kind of your own video. You get? So please take note of that. Always optimize your video for comment, likes, and subscription. And the fourth in the list is to always improve your channel session time. I'm not talking about the watch time. Yeah, I mean session time. Now, the session time is how long are these people staying on your channel. I'm not talking about the watch time. These people, for them to for you to have a session time, definitely they've already watched your video. Now when they watch your video, are they exiting immediately, or instead are they doing something else on your channel? Now when I talk about the something else, what I literally mean is that, are they trying to view your profile? Are they trying to see how many months you've been on the channel? How many months is your channel, or how many months you've been on YouTube? Are they seeing? Are they looking at the kind of video you've already, you've already uploaded? Are they watching any kind of your videos again, and not just the one they are there for? We have some prospects whereby when they get to our video and then they start watching it, immediately they start liking the content we create. Now, after they are done watching that, they don't just exit. They don't exit immediately, but instead they opt into finding out more content we've already uploaded. That is what we call the session time. How many minutes, how many hours are these people spending on your channel after watching a particular video? So all these things is also sending the right signal to YouTube, and with that, your YouTube gets to be pushed to the right audiences where you get much views. That is how I'm doing all these things, and that is why I listed it. I was able to realize that these are the things that I was doing with this very same channel here, okay, compared to the other ones that was getting me 67 views, which I wasn't doing. In fact, it is 0 views. If you have to see it here, it's 0 views. So you need to take note of all these things, okay? So improve your channel session time. Now, the last but not the least, always upload your video when your audience is on YouTube. When your audience are active on YouTube, you don't just post your videos anyhow. Exactly. I know that the question here is that how then can I know when my subscribers are active? How then can I know when these people that are really interested in the kind of topic that I create, the kind of niche that I talked of, or the kind of video that I make? When can I know when all these people are available on YouTube for me to post my video? Okay, the question to this is very simple. Now, back then when I was making use of this very channel, I get to realize that the moment I post my video, I don't get views, okay, and I don't mind the second day, the third day, I just post again. Now, I wasn't considering the time that I was posting this video. I'm just making use of any kind of time. Please don't do that. Now, for this very channel now, the very first day that I posted my video, I posted it around 10 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, here in Nigeria. Please take notes. Here in Nigeria, I posted it around 10 p.m. I mean 10 p.m. in the evening, in the night. Exactly, that was when I posted my very first video on this channel. And then I get to realize that when I start getting views, I get nothing less than 200 views. Exactly, 200 views. The next day, the second day, the third day, it was still within that 200 views. So that sent me a signal that that very same time which I uploaded it wasn't the time for me, and it is not the time where my audiences are available online. Exactly. And in case you don't know, this exact channel, I'm getting views from United States. This is not only about Nigerian. I'm not talking only about Nigeria. You get to have audiences coming from different countries based on the kind of topic or the kind of content you make, either faceless or your normal YouTube channel. You get. So the second video that I posted, it was around 12 o'clock in the night, 12 o'clock a.m. and guess what, the second video got me 2,000 plus views. That very same night, during the night, I got 2,000 views. What signal does that tell you? That signal tells me that this is the exact time that these people are always available. Exactly, that is the kind of signal it sends to me, just to let me know that for me to have posted this around 12 o'clock early in the morning during the night, and then I was able to achieve 2,000 views during that very same night, then definitely these are the kind of time to be posting my videos. So literally I could have even posted it around that 12 o'clock and I wouldn't even still get views. So if I don't still get that views, definitely I need to try another time So you need to compare the time of when you are uploading each of your videos. So the one that gives you the enough views, that is the exact time you start posting. You start posting for you to have gotten 20 views out of all the videos you've been posting, which haven't gotten nothing less than 2 views or 1 views, and you posted one video, that it gave you 20 views at a particular time. You should know that at that very same time you posted it, it's the time that your audiences are available. So please take note of all these things. These are the 5 things, these are the 5 key that I literally work on, which gave me the 26,000 views you are seeing on the screen. This is not magic, it's just a 2 weeks old channel. Exactly, it's just 2 weeks old channel. I would have loved to call out the name for you guys to check on it, but then I literally don't want anyone to have an access to it, okay, aside YouTube pinching it down to you. So now all these views you are seeing here are all organic. That is the key, that is the point. So these are all organic. This is not something that I'm copying all around. I'm not copying this YouTube link all around because it's a faceless account. You get it's a faceless account. So guys, that is it, and that is all. So please I said 2 weeks 2 weeks old, right? Now the reason why I said 2 weeks old is because 2 weeks was when 2 weeks ago was when I start posting on this very channel. I created this channel around June 11 12 June 11, okay, June 11. I created it on June 11, and then I start uploading around that June 13 14 exactly. And the reason why I start uploading at that time was because I literally just have to leave my account on hold before anything. Exactly. So whenever you are able to create a new channel, do not immediately post on it. So just leave it. So instead of you immediately posting on it, just do what I asked you to do. Study popular video, watch other people's video, all right? And with that, you'll be able to send the right signal to YouTube. So that is that, and that is it. Thank you for staying around to the end. And also, please, if you haven't smashed the subscription button, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that you get to have very much content like this coming to your space every time, any day. Thank you.